computer. All right, so T8. Welcome to T8. Wow, it's been 8 batches already, and over the span of 2 years. 2 years, I think. Okay. So every year I have like 4 batches. That's not bad. 4 batches a year. Okay, cool. All right, so good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening to wherever you are in this big blue world. Okay. Hello to Georgia, hello to Malaysia, hello to Singapore, Indonesia, US, UK, India, Australia, New Zealand, Turkey, and literally Indonesia also, my good friends over there, right? And Brunei, all right, my friends from Brunei, and literally everywhere from around the world. Okay, I'm honored to be here teaching you. I'm honored that you have chosen me as your mentor, and you should be fucking honored too that I chose you. Okay, so let's go. All right, so today is our intro session, right? Intro session. In our intro session, it's very simple. Okay, it's very simple. We have 5 sessions approximately. First, we have intro. Second, we have long-term direction. Long-term direction and gaps. Okay. Number 3, we have trend lines. Okay. Number 4, we have quality. Number 5, the end. Okay. We have intro, long-term direction and gaps, then trend lines, quality, and then the end. The end is a very special session. Okay. It is a very special session. All right. So this one will not be recorded. Okay, I'm writing like shit because I am not writing properly. Okay, if I write properly, I can write properly. Okay, so the intro session is just be a basic intro session lah. Okay, and then we're going to learn long-term direction and gaps, and then we're going to learn trend lines. Okay, after we learn trend lines, we're going to learn quality. Quality is basically how to determine what to take. Okay, what to take, and then the end will determine what to eat. This one is what to ignore. So basically, in our first 3 sessions, we will be given homework. And basically, this one is you shooting in the dark. Shooting in the dark. Okay, these 3 sessions are you shooting in the dark. You don't know which one to take. You know, there's just an overload of information. Okay, you don't know which one to take. You don't know which one to, just taking everything, and that's okay because that is how I've structured my classes. I want you to get used to taking everything, and then later in the fourth class, oh, no wonder this broke. So I should focus here. Is it T? Yes. Oh, okay. I want you to have that eureka moment because that eureka moment will be one of your best moments of your entire creating career. Okay, that is the moment I want to give you on my classes. Right? So this one is where you will start having your eureka moment. Okay, I'm a fucking good teacher, I know, right? Okay, so first you shoot in the dark, you just try everything, but don't use a fucking real account lah. Okay, do not use a real account. But later I'll tell you that later lah. Okay, and then after you finish learning, then you can start using real account. Okay, so first you shoot in the dark, and then you can have your eureka moment. All right. So today won't be much about technical analysis really. Today will be more about my bullshit psychology shit lah. Okay, so let's talk about the phases of trading, right? The phases of trading, right? The phases of trading. Number 1, you have the shit phase. The shit phase is you thinking that you can do it yourself. Okay, you can do it yourself. You think that you could do it yourself. All right, you can learn from YouTube, you can learn from lead courses, you can learn from fucking scammers and all that bullshit lah online, right? And then so you think that yeah, this is the shit phase. Shit phase is basically you can do it yourself. And then finally, some people they're in their shit phase for like 1 to 2 years, all right, and then they finally realize, okay, I can't do this shit anymore. So and then you go into your learning phase. Your learning phase is you finally realizing that you are a dumb motherfucker, you're a dumb fuck, you're a stupid piece of shit. So you might, okay, so let's go find a mentor. Learning. Mentor, right? And then number 3 is your experience phase. Okay, experience phase is you learning from the market. Number 4 is your mastery. Mastery is basically when you have more than 70%. Okay, more than 70% rate. This is when you are on a journey on your own. So, what's the difference between mastery and shit phase? Can anyone tell me in the chat? It's literally the same, but it's different. Tell me in the chat. Time, mindset, Dunning-Kruger, experience. Yes, all of that is correct. All of that is correct. You have gone through a crazy learning process. You have understood the market. You have experience. You have, this is shit confidence. This is real confidence. This is when you know your shit. Okay, baby T to master T. Exactly. Okay, profitable. The difference is in the shit phase, you can do it yourself. You think you can do it yourself. And then in mastery, you literally can do it yourself because you don't need anyone anymore. Okay. And so right now you are well out of the shit phase. Gone out of here already. Right now you are in my learning phase. You are learning from me. Okay. First is bullshit, then you can. Correct. Okay. Now you are learning from me and you are in my learning phase. All right. While you are in my learning, use your real account. No real accounts while learning. I want to ask you, if you are learning how to swing a fucking sword, and then will you go to war while still learning? Will you go to war? You go and fucking fight those people who have been training for 5 years, but then what qualification you have? Oh, I've just fucking learned how to swing 1 time, 2 times. Oh, how many? I've just learned how to swing. Oh, how many times you swing? 5 times, 6 times. I'm still learning. Bro, you wanna get killed? Are you stupid? You wanna get like fucking? Do you wanna die in the war because you don't know how the fucking swing a sword and shit? So no real accounts while learning. Your job learning is not to be rich. Your job is to learn. Okay. Your job is to take in as much information as possible. Okay. As much information as possible and apply and basically absorb it. Okay. It is learning as much as possible. Your job is not to be rich right now. Okay. Your job is to learn as much as possible. Experience phase. Your job is to apply. By the time we finish learning after our 5th session, you have automatically entered the experience phase. Automatically. All right. Yes, in war you get killed. In trading you blow your account. In bed you get blow jobs. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So the thing is, so after you finish our 5th session, you are now in your experience phase. All right. So this is where you learn how to apply. How to apply whatever the fuck. Oh my God, Clint, you quoted me. We don't know. We don't know. Okay. So you apply. It's time for you to apply whatever the fuck you have learned in your learning phase. Okay, you learn to apply and you learn in real market conditions. You learn how to react when the market does this, you learn how to act when the market does that, and that is how you're supposed to learn. And then so finally, when you will know yourself when your experience phase end. Okay, usually the experience phase will take 3 to 6 months. If after 3 to 6 months it's still not good, it means that it's a you problem, it's not a me problem lah, because everyone can do it. Why not you? Okay, it's you problem, definitely. All right. So, and then mastery. Okay, mastery, you can do it yourself. You don't need me anymore. You don't need the mentors anymore. You don't need the apprentices anymore. You're on your own and you can live happily. Okay, you can put a fucking 10 lot. Okay, you grow your account from 100 to 1,000 or 1,000 to 10,000 in like what, 2 weeks, and that's normal. Okay, that's normal. All right. So you can do that. Okay, anyone can do that. Really, anyone can do that. So all you need to do is understand and respect the phases. But thank God you're out of the shit phase already. Okay, now you are in learning phase. All right, and then experience phase. The experience phase is the most painful, because the only person you can rely on is yourself and the knowledge that you have. And it's a phase that not everyone survives, but I want you to survive it. Okay, you have gone so far. Finish your race. All right, finish your fucking race. Okay, you don't want to run the fucking marathon and you have only like 3 kilometers left and then you want to give up. Are you fucking stupid? All right. I know you can turn 100 USD into 0. I can turn 100 USD into -10. I win. Okay. All right. So, let's do it. All right. So we have 5 different types of SNR. Five different types of SNR. Okay. So the 5 different types of SNR. First of all, we have the classic SNR. The classic SNR. Okay. So so you are used to seeing. Okay. First of all, does everyone know candlesticks? Please tell me everyone knows candlesticks. You know what how bullish candlestick looks like. How candlestick. Please don't tell me you are stupid. Okay. Thank you. All right. So everyone is not dumb. Amazing. OHLC and all that stuff. Okay. Amazing. Good. Thank God none of you are dumb. No, I'm stupid. Okay. Antipas, are you sure you're stupid? If you are stupid, I will teach you. Do you really want to know? Candlestick? I'm just basic candlestick. It's just like bullish and bearish. Do you know Antipas? Antipas Tang? Just kidding. Please go on. Okay. Thank God you're not stupid. Okay. Thank you. All right. So classic SNR. Basic. I'll give you. Okay. What is a line chart? A line chart is a tracking of closing price. Okay, the tracking of closing price. So let's say a candle looks like this, and then like this, and then like this, and then like this, right? So the closing is here, 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 here. It looks like this. Okay, everyone understands that, right? Good. Okay, so classic SNR, it looks like this. Okay, so you see like, okay, this people say, okay, so if you have this SNR, right, when the price comes, just sell, then later, and then it sounds like the holy grail, you know, like, oh, just sell, and then after you sell, oh, it breaks out, it's okay, just take the L, and then later when it returns, you can buy. I'm like, what the fuck, right? But then that sounds like the fucking holy grail lah. It breaks and then you come back, you buy lah, right? It sounds fucking amazing, right? But then, you said, oh. And then like over here it break, over here it break, and then over here you're like, oh shit, it break, and then there's this trend line over here. There's a trend line over here. You're like, okay, you know what, fuck it, I don't want to take it, and then it respects. Okay, and then you're like, what the fuck? Like SL 3 times already, and then I only fuck and the win I didn't fucking take because I was scared. So the thing is, don't believe in that bullshit, please. Okay, it's different. SNR is not as simple as you think it is. Okay, this one. And please don't call it Malaysian SNR. I don't know. I don't know what you use, I don't know. Okay, never mind lah. Never mind lah. Okay. So classic SNR. First, this is a regular resistance lah. It doesn't look like this. It has to have a miss. All right. It has to have a miss. So what is miss? Miss is basically this is what you call as a miss. Going in and out. Really? My audio goes up ke? Really? Hello? Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay,
brother,
sorry.
we are hearing you. Do you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you. If it goes off, just tell me. Oh, just tell me. Okay. All right. Cool. Okay. So miss. What is a miss? A miss is a shadow that failed to touch the level. Okay. Come, I'll show you. I want to show you a nice example. Okay, here we go. So if you look here, this is your level, correct? And then there was a shadow that failed to touch the level. Therefore, it reacted. Understood? This was the miss. So in general, the miss was like this lah. It could be green, okay? It could be green. Shadows are weak, yeah. Shadows are weak. Correct, correct. Okay, like this. So this is already considered a miss. Okay, it could even be a red candle if you want. Okay, could be a red candle if you want. Over here is a miss. Okay, basically there was a shadow that failed to touch lah. Okay, and then this one, whatever lah. As long as the first candle failed to touch, basically it's a miss. Okay, therefore validating the level. Okay, validating the level. So what validates the level for a classic SNR? A miss. Correct. Okay, just a miss. Right? Keep it simple, keep it easy. Okay, good. Next, same goes to a support. Bear in mind, today you only learn 10%. You're learning 10%. Okay, so don't be a smart ass and come to me and say, but sir, it broke. But sir, this one, why did it break, sir? You can't tell you 10% of my knowledge. Please understand that it's a fuck, and I will build you from the bottom until you turn into another fuck. So we are here. Okay, don't think that you are here. Understand that? Good. Okay. This sounds is jumping. Just for me. Oh shit. Jumping? Why is it jumping? Hello? Hello?
Hello, dear Mr. T. We are hearing you.
Okay, 90% is good. It's okay lah. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. As long as you
It's
can see my
okay.
drawings, it's fine lah. Zoom is excited
Yeah,
for class too.
all is good. All is good. Keep
Thank you.
going.
Okay, Daniel is now our class president. Okay, I have assigned him as
It's my,
class president.
it's my honor.
Mashallah. Okay. If it
Thank
jumps,
you.
it's okay. As long as you can see my
Definitely.
drawings, as long as you can see my drawings, it's good. Okay.
Okay,
Don't
bro.
worry about it too
Thank you.
much. All right. They're nice
Thank
radio
you.
voice.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
bro. I like Daniel's radio voice. Bro. It just sounds nice. Okay. So what validates resistance and support? Plastic lah. You have a means basically a shadow that comes to. Because you have this, this is my fucking resistance. This is my red candle, green candle. Right. This is like this also means that, but this is not necessary. The mist does not have to be big. Okay, it just has to be a mist, a shadow that failed to touch, one shadow that failed to touch, and then it's enough already. Okay, this is your classic SNR. Number two, we have obsession. Okay, breakout SNR, very simple, just miss before that. Okay, Before after it has a shadow that missed, and then it's a clean breakup. A clean breakup. Okay, easy. Same thing goes here. Miss before after. All right. So, but sir, over here, sir. Over here, sir. This is a miss before after, sir. But why did you take this? All right, moving on to our next one. Number 3, we have gaps. And no, don't want to teach gaps yet. Number 3, we have HNS. What is HNS? HNS is our head and shoulders. Okay, head and shoulders. How does it look like? It looks like this. Okay, but sir, I learned a Quasimodo, sir, and the Quasimodo say that it has to break the lowest low. No, it doesn't have. Okay, this is enough. It doesn't have to do this. Okay, if you know your technique, I also know your technique. Okay, don't worry about it. Same goes to buy lah. Okay, so how does it look like? It looks like this. I'm not showing all the examples, but I'm sure. See? Okay, what kind of SNR is this? Can anyone tell me? Classic, correct. Easy, right? But then, sir, over here there is a floating, sir. How did you enter here, sir? Sir. There is a trend line down here. Many things that you can enter down there. There's a gap over here. Okay. Don't worry about floating. Don't fucking come to me and ask, sir, why floating? My goodness, bro. I will teach you that in trend lines later. Okay. Trend lines later, I will teach you why it fucking floats. So don't fucking ask me that question. Please. God. It's the worst question in the entire world. I will teach you that later. Okay. Because that will come in our later classes. How to reduce floating, where to get the right entry levels and all that bullshit. Okay. Awesome. Let me show you a nice HNS. Okay. This is a HNS. This is a good one. Okay. HNS. Push it on there. After it broke, here, over here, over here, over here. Come here, go down again. Okay. So all it needs is basically this is what you call a left shoulder. Okay. This one is the head. And basically you just enter here lah. Okay. Same goes over here. See? Oh shit. I disconnected. 1 second. Hi. All right. So you see here. See? Okay. HNS. Easy. Very, very, very easy. But sir, how come this one is reacted but there's no miss? When that happens, there is usually something on a when something unusual happens, when something unusual happens, it's usually because there is something usual on a different time frame. Okay, maybe it's not H1, 30. Okay, maybe it's at M15, but we just the lowest we go lah. Okay, yeah, all right. So when something unusual happens, you are usually on the wrong time frame. Because we must stick with our teachings lah. You must stick with whatever we have learned. You must stick with you must have faith in the technique. Okay, if all you're doing is changing techniques from time to time, you are Stupid. Okay, thank you. So next we have BHNS. BHNS. This one is a bit more complicated lah. BHNS. BHNS is our broken HNS. Okay. Our broken HNS is like this. As simple as that. So it's supposed to look like this, right? HNS, right? But then it just fucking broke. All right. So same goes to buy. That was buying. This one is selling. It's supposed to look like this, right? But it didn't. Fucking broke. Down here. Right. I'll show you an example of that. See? I need to show you a very nice example so that you don't get confused lah. Okay. Okay, there we go. See it? Fuck! It's connected again. Fuck me. Right. So, can you see the pattern here? See? Okay. Very simple, very easy. Okay. Don't make it broken HNS. I realize a lot of people have unnecessary problems with broken HNS. But just keep it simple. Okay. Trading is not rocket science. I shit you not. It's a very simplistic process. Okay. So if it's clear, take it. If it's not clear, don't take it. That's how it goes, right? This one, show you some more lah. Need to make sure that you are well versed. Okay. This one, okay. I want to ask you, what kind of setup is this? To get this buy here. What kind? Wrong, not classic. Okay, classic also can lah. But then to me, this is a HNS also have, classic also have. Okay, good. See, you're learning. Very good. Okay. So what about this one? How to get this cell here? Classic, correct. Now, how to get this cell over here? This cell over here. HNS. See, you motherfuckers are not stupid. I know you are not stupid. Okay, good. Right. Next. Last but not least, special one. We have gaps. What are gaps? Keep it as simple as possible. As simple as possible. The middle thing between two same colored candles. So you have this, the middle thing where this motherfucker. That's enough. Okay? Don't think about it. Ooh, why the fuck? I cannot see gaps. I've some people who cannot see gaps, you know. I'm like, holy fuck. Cannot see gaps? How down? Please don't make me use. Don't make me call it stupid, please. Okay, gaps are easy. The middle thing between two same color candles. Okay, this one. Okay, but sir, sometimes the candle is like this. It looks like this, sir. It's a bit like a fucking disabled retarded kid, right? Oh my god. Where's the middle thing? This is the middle thing, right? Take it lah. Okay, enough. Okay, the one on the left. This one, take this one. Okay, good. Okay, it's the middle thing lah between both of them. What's wrong with you? Okay, over here. Now, time for another lesson. Why did it go down here? Why did it go down there? Because of the gap. Good. Why? Why did it go up here? If you say classic, you are stupid. Yes, number 2, breakout. No, breakout SNS. Breakout SNR, good. Why? Because miss before, after, clean breakout. Okay. Has it been touched? Has it been touched? Has it been touched or no? No. Is this clean? Good. Is this clean? Yes, good. Has it been touched after, before it retested? Is this a good miss? Yes. So then when it touched, what happens? It fucking come. Okay. It come. It fucking come everywhere. Okay. Thank you. Lie. Good boy. All right. Nuts. Okay. Trading nut. Okay. Wait. Let's see you. So with SR seems every officer it has a after, yes, correct. Yeah, most of, I guess so, you could say that, but then that's a bit too simplistic lah. Okay, I think that those kind of questions to be answered will be answered along the way lah. Along the way will be answered. Okay. Okay, so is everyone stupid? No, you're using just a shit technique or something. Okay, so one thing about gaps have it's a bit different lah. Okay, gaps are different in terms of price. Come here, can react, and it also can breakout react. But sir, it doesn't have a miss, sir. Yes, gaps don't need miss. Okay, gaps don't need miss. Gaps don't need miss. Gaps don't need. Come on, come with me. Come with me. Gaps don't need. Gaps no miss. Okay, don't be. Thank you. Good boy. Okay. So as simple as 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now you won't know why certain levels break, why certain levels are okay, why certain levels are they have a good win rate, why certain levels they just break, why certain levels you have to focus on. Okay. You won't know that. But you won't know like, oh, why sometimes it floats. Okay. I don't want to teach you that now. Please understand that you have to wait until this stuff you need to learn first. If I teach you which one to take, and then you're gonna be mind fucked. You're already mind fucked. You're like, oh shit, how the fuck does a HNS look? Huh? Oh my god, how the fuck does a BHNS look? And then you want to learn which BHNS to take. Are you dumb? Okay, please respect the process. Okay, calm down and respect the fucking process. Okay, please. Okay, thank you very much, children. Okay, so step by step, you sound like my father. Bro, I sound like your. Come on. I'm kidding. Okay, no one can. Oh, by the way, happy Father's Day to every father in the group. Okay, congratulations on being a father and then your children is okay. Congratulations on being a dad, and it's a huge honor lah to be in a group full of dads and fathers. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, and so your homework for me is simple. I want you to find a sideways range like this, and I want you to fucking figure out why shit moves. Okay, and use it on the M30 time frame. But this one is H1 lah. Okay, so over here, why does it move? Why did it take this one here? Because there was a, look at my fucking markings, motherfuckers. This shadow here. There was a gap. But sir, it took this gap lah actually. Yes, correct. I was wrong just now. Took this one actually. Okay, this one. And then this one. Okay. And then what? This one. Okay. But sir, it broke. Shut the fuck up. Okay. There's a reaction, right? There's a reaction lah. Okay. Okay. And then this one. Took this one, this, yeah. But then it took the classic. Okay. And then it took the classic. And then it took the HNS or the classic or whatever lah. Okay. And then up here, what did it take? It took a trend line. Fuck me. Took a trend line. But sir, you didn't teach trend line just now. Yeah, I didn't want to teach trend line. Go just now. I'm going to teach later. But I'm just going to show you that I understand why the fuck it floats. And don't ask me that question. Please, God, I beg you, do not ask me the why it floats. Okay. I teach you later because the answer is not complicated, but it requires one whole class dedicated to answering why the fuck it floats. Okay. So don't ask me that question, please. I do not like it. Okay. Thank you. And then this one. Okay. I want you to find a range and just show me why shit moves. Every single move, if possible. Even this small move and this small green candle, I want you to catch because that green candle is still money, my friend. It's still money. Right? This one, this gap here. Okay, and then another gap here. This small green candle. I want you to catch it. I want you to catch all the movements. Okay, this one. This one got miss here, right? Take it lah, stupid. Okay, so like that. Okay, like that. I want you to catch all the movements. You take a range. Now, step one, take range in M30. Okay. Number two, find the reasons of all the movements you can find. Some movements, they don't have anything to do with SNR lah. Some like this, like this thing up here, and I don't know why the fuck it goes down, but you don't have to know everything. You don't have to catch all the setups. You have to catch anything that, and all the setups that appear according to your style. I know people who got the setup here, but then I was like, my way of trading doesn't have any setup over there. But then I got the setup here. So what's the difference? I don't get here, but I get here. Nothing lah. You don't have to catch all the movement. You have to catch every movement that your technique allows you to. Okay? If you can master your technique, you are enough already. You don't have to catch all the movement because you can be rich by not catching all the movement lah. But for your homework, I want you to find the reasons of all the movements that you can find. Okay? If you cannot find, it's okay. But I want you to be very meticulous. I want you to mark the gap. I want you to mark the reactions. Okay? I want you to mark, okay, why here, why here, why here, and then label lah, and don't do some shit work, okay? And don't come mark over there in like properly, like, okay, over here, gap, over here, gap. I don't want you to write like me, okay? I'm doing this. SR is everywhere, nearly every candle. Not like every candle, okay? Not like every candle. But then it gives you an insight to see, okay, so this is where we are heading, okay? So from this, we will simplify and simplify and simplify until it turns into, it should turn out hopefully into a proper strategy for you, okay? Good. So that is your homework. So I will send you what question you have, Mr. Arfan.
Yes, Brother T, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, my friend.
Yes, good morning, afternoon, everybody. I have a question, brother. Do you, when you're SNR, do you do candle by candle close, or you do level by level?
What the hell does that mean?
For example, let me get the annotate tool. 1 second, sorry. It won't allow me to annotate. For example, where a candle closes, do you mark a level from there, or do you just use a high?
Oh, yeah, I use the line chart. I use the line chart to mark my levels. Like let's say, right? Okay. That's a good question. Also, some people call this MetaTrader Premium. Why? It is because I can merge the line chart into the candlestick chart, and I'll teach you this. Moving average, period 1, shift 0, apply to close, okay? Method, whatever the fuck you want, okay? So let's say the fucking red candle looks like this, right? Show you. This one. Looks like this, right? But then the line chart looks like this, I will mark here. I'll mark at the line chart over here. Answers your question?
Yeah, Mr. T does.
Oh, lovely. Okay, cool. All right, so that's your homework. And I'll send you an example from previous students, okay? I'll send you an example from previous students to give you like how it works lah. And also, I have a bad habit of sending the recordings a bit late, okay? So please make do without it, okay? Which broker you use on TradingView? I don't know, bro. Whatever broker you want, bro. The thing is, a lot of people come ask me, but sir, my broker is different. My advice for you is trust your broker. Trust your broker, okay? All the others, no, just for classic and breakout, okay? For HNS, don't be a smart ass and come to me and say, but sir, this is a HNS, right? But they don't have miss, sir. You take it? No, yes, I will take it. Okay, the only things that need misses are the ones that I specify that need miss lah. The fucking what? The classic and the breakout. These are the only guys that use the concept of miss. The rest is all the same. Okay, the rest is just different. It's the same lah. Okay, so for like this guy here, it could either look like this or it could either look like this. Okay, all right, lovely. So I want you to. What is your homework? What's your homework? Come, someone tell me in the group chat. What's your homework? I want you to go to what time frame? M30. And then what should you do? Mark why shit moves. Okay, good. Mark every single fucking movement that you can find that seems logical. Okay, every movement that you can find that seems logical. Not mark SNR, mark movements. Mark SNRs that cause movements. I don't want you to go break support, classic, gap, breakout, support, gap, and then so gap. I want to mark the ones that cause movements, okay? And then later you are going to understand, oh, so this is why it caused them. Okay, like that, okay? Cool. So mark all and be very meticulous. HNS, okay? Like that, be very, very meticulous. HNS for buy, be very meticulous and try to observe every single move that you can find. Okay. Hopefully you guys can do well. This is fucking easy lah. Okay, it's only the intro session. If you cannot do this, go fucking run 5 kilometers or some shit, bro. All right. So thank you. All right. So thank you everyone for joining our my session. All right. So I hope you learn because I know you learned at 5 lah. Okay.
Brother. Hi,
All
bro.
right. Okay. Take care, everyone. Have a great day,
Hello.
and I hope things go well for you. All right. Bye. See you hopefully next Sunday, I guess. Okay. Get shit done. All right. Bye.